So Tim Schmoyer from Video Creators has just uploaded a video where he's talking with a YouTube staff member, and it's really important to my channel and might be really important to your upload schedule too. We're going to talk about that video here and how it impacts channels like ours. So very recently, Tim Schmoyer from Video Creators uploaded a video where he is talking with a YouTube staff member about upload schedules and if daily uploads actually hurt, damage your channel or are good for your channel. And my upload schedule was an everyday thing. I was uploading a video every single day, and you can even hear me advertising this within previous videos. Now, Tim Schmoyer and the YouTube staff member who runs a part of the YouTube Creators Academy, we're talking about the fact that when you upload videos every single day, what tends to happen is you are negating your quality. Too often when we're uploading daily, what tends to happen is we forget about the quality that is needed for you guys, the audience, to pay attention to the video. And what happens is, instead of getting the value that you would find after watching the entire video, you're clicking away because you're having, lighting problems that you're having a look at and things that are really distracting you from the overall message within the video. Now, there are all these different cool editing techniques that I can actually use in order to keep the video interesting and keep you guys engaged and watching so that you get the value from this video. For example, I could do a bit of color grading. I could crop a video and I could put it elsewhere. I could use stock footage. I could use augmented reality if I wanted to, just to make the message more interesting to watch. I could use all these different techniques that you should be seeing now on the screen or have been throughout this video. And then that's a win-win situation for you guys, and it's a win-win situation for me as well, because I'm reaching more of you guys and helping more of you, and you're getting the value after watching the entire video instead of just part of the video where only part of the message or part of a tutorial is being explained or delivered. Now, my viewers are typically within the age range of 25 to 30 years old, and we also have younger viewers as well, from the ages of 8 to 12 years old. When your audience is of a specific age, the viewership and the way people are watching your videos will be completely different. So basically, a 25 to 30 year old may not have the time to watch 7 videos in 1 week. So when I'm uploading every single day, those viewers and those fans are missing out on a lot of the content because they try to catch up at the end of the week. And by the time it gets to Sunday and I'm uploading the next 7 videos, they're having to play catch up. And that might not be possible for many of you viewers. Whereas there's a polar opposite where my younger viewers will be tuning into my channel every single day and looking for that daily content. My working pattern is going to be completely different to somebody who is in a 9-to-5 job. So therefore, when I'm uploading my videos 7 days a week, the people that are in work, or maybe when we're in school season in school, will be missing out on a lot of the content that could ultimately help them here on YouTube. I'm going to change my upload schedule to suit you guys. I'm going to be uploading so that you can catch a video and have time to catch a video rather than miss out due to the fact you may not be able to binge watch every single video here on my channel. When I'm uploading on a specific subject that might be applicable to you, I want to make sure that you are able to watch that video and it's not getting lost in a sea of 7 videos a week. So at the end of this video, coming up next is going to be another video that you can watch that will help you with your editing.